Stop saying picture like it has 3 separate syllables. In casual American English, the sounding is much shorter. Not picture, picture. When you see the letters T-U-R-E at the end of a common word, don't read every letter. In American English, the sounding often sounds like ch'r. That little vowel sound is a schwa. But because this is American English, we also pronounce the R after it. So, listen to the pattern. Picture, future, nature, culture. Now, repeat after me. Picture, future, nature, culture. So when a common word ends with the letters T-U-R-E, don't add churi. Make it weak and fast. Ch'r.